Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of dragon fruit propagation. If you've ever wanted to multiply your dragon fruit plants and get more of those delicious fruits faster, you're in the right place. Dragon fruit, like many cacti, is surprisingly easy to propagate. We are going to be propagating through cuttings. While growing from seed is possible, cuttings will get you fruit much faster. We're talking 2 to 3 years instead of 5 to 7 years. So, let's jump right in and I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to successfully root dragon fruit cuttings. To successfully carry out our propagating tasks, we will need to gather a few essential tools and materials. First and foremost, a sharp and clean garden secateur will be necessary for making clean cuttings effectively. In addition to that, we should have some clean containers ready, ensuring that they come equipped with drainage holes. These drainage holes play a crucial role as they allow excess water to escape freely, which is essential in preventing issues such as waterlogging that can negatively impact plant health. Lastly, we must also obtain some good quality succulent soil, which will provide the ideal growing conditions for our dragon fruit and help them flourish in their new environment. Start by choosing some mature, healthy stems from the parent plant which you want to propagate from. Look for stems that are at least 1 year old, about 1 inch thick and free from pests or diseases. Using the secateur, cut a stem section about 6 to 10 inches long. Make sure your cuts are clean to avoid damaging the plant. Allow the freshly cut end of the plant to callus over for a duration of 5 to 7 days. This crucial step greatly assists in preventing rot when you eventually plant it in the soil. To effectively facilitate this process, take the cuttings and place them in a cool, dry, and shaded area, away from direct sunlight and excessive moisture. Ensuring these conditions will promote a proper callusing environment, which is essential for the health and viability of the cuttings. Once they are introduced to the soil, plant your cutting about 1 to 2 inches deep into the soil, with the cut end down and upright. Give it a light watering right after planting, then wait until the soil dries out completely before watering again. Overwatering is a prevalent mistake that many plant enthusiasts make, and it can unfortunately lead to serious issues such as root rot, which can compromise the health of the plant. It is crucial to emphasize that dragon fruit plants are especially sensitive to varying moisture levels in their environment. These plants do not flourish or perform optimally when they are subjected to excessive watering. Therefore, it becomes essential to adhere to a careful watering regimen that takes into account the specific moisture needs of dragon fruit, ensuring that their soil remains well draining and accurately monitored for moisture content. Place your cuttings in a warm location that receives bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight, especially during the hottest part of the day, as this can scorch the cuttings. Be patient. Rooting can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the conditions. You will be able to recognize that the cuttings have successfully rooted when you begin to observe fresh new growth emerging at the very top of the plant. To further assess the progress of your cuttings, you can perform a gentle test. Lightly grasp the cutting and pull it upward. If you feel a resistance, this is a strong indication that root development is taking place beneath the soil. Conversely, if there is no resistance, it may suggest that the roots have not yet formed, and you should allow more time for the process to occur. Once established, transfer your cuttings to a bigger container or garden bed with a trellis. Dragon fruit vines love to climb and need support to grow upward and bloom. And that's it. Easy, right? Propagating dragon fruit from cuttings is a fun and rewarding experience. With a little patience and these tips, you'll be well on your way to growing a thriving dragon fruit jungle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried propagating dragon fruit yourself. Happy growing!